Story 20. I heard that an oppressor ruined the habitations of the subjects to fill the treasury of the Sultan, unmindful of the maxim of philosophers who have said, who offends God, the Most High, to gain the heart of a created being, God will use that very being to bring on his destruction in the world. Fire burning with wild rue will not cause a smoke like that of afflicted hearts. The prince of all animals is the lion, and the meanest of beasts, the donkey. Nevertheless, sages agree that a donkey who carries loads is better than a lion who destroys men. The poor donkey, though void of discernment, is nevertheless esteemed when he carries a burden. Oxen and donkeys who carry loads are superior to men oppressing mankind. And, those sorts of animals are, the donkeys and such are references to people who just pass on things without necessarily understanding or doing anything with them other than, just carrying them, and certainly you don't want to fall to the point where you just carry some books around. When the king had obtained information of some of the oppressors' misdeeds and bad conduct, he had him put on the rack and slain by various tortures. Thou wilt not obtain the approbation of the Sultan unless thou seekest the goodwill of his subjects. If thou desirest God to condone thy transgressions, do good to the people whom God has created. One of the oppressed who passed near him said, not everyone who possesses strength of arm and office in the Sultanate may with impunity plunder the people. A hard bone will be made to pass down the throat, but it will tear the belly when it sticks in the navel.